this is Akriti. Today I am going to draw rabbit eats carrot picture. First I am drawing head of the rabbit. Please try to draw with me.
1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, oh my, 4 apples for my apple pie. 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3 lemons, oh
Look,
hey,
rabbit's ear is
some
moving.
lemonade.
Now I am drawing body of the rabbit.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Now I am drawing cute tail of the rabbit.
10, let's sing it all again. 1, 2,
Rabbit is enjoying drawing.
7, 8, 9, and 10.
I love drawing and coloring.
1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, oh my, 4 apples.
Now I am drawing carrot.
1 lemon, 2 lemons, 3 lemons, oh hey.
Rabbit is very cute animal. I love rabbit.
Let's keep on counting all day. Ooh, give me some ice cream. A scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more. Ooh, give me some ice cream. Ooh, this is perfection to me. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry.
Color time.
Scoop, 2 scoop,
Green.
3 scoop more. Ooh,
Brown.
this is perfection to me.
Yellow.
Frozen cold or melting down my fingers. Ice cream is the treat that lingers. Ooh,
Pink.
give me some ice cream. A scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more.
Rabbit is enjoying coloring.
Some ice cream. Whether it's
Rabbit is going to eat this carrot.
or melting down my fingers. Ice cream is the treat that lingers. Ooh, give me some ice cream. A scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more. Ooh, give me some ice cream.
Orange.
Let's go.
Light green. Violet.
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. But mother will catch you, cradle and all. Baby is drowsy, cozy and fair. Mother sits near in her rocking chair. Forward and back, the cradle she swings. Though baby sleeps, he hears what she sings.
Rabbit ate the carrot. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.